good student. Today the topic is quadratic equation of class 10 mathematics. Now see, there are two words, one is quadratic and another is equations. So first of all, before I'm going to start quadratic, let us a brief idea about the expression. What is expression? Yes. What is expression? So expression means any function, or suppose that having variables, constants. If there is a something function between variables, constants, or we can say that there is an addition, multiplication in using variables. Like suppose that x plus y is equals to 2. Now first of all, there is two parts. First one is this part and second one is this part. Now on left hand side there is a expression. In expression, see, there are two variables x and y, and there is a sign between them, that is a addition. It may be multiplication, it may be division, or whatever the operations are applied. So here addition. So this whole is known as expression, and it is also known as expression. This part is also known as expression and this part is also known as expression. But there is a sign between these two expressions. The sign is of equality. The sign is of equality. So according to the equality in between these two expressions, these all are become equation. This becomes all together equation. But here this is which type of equation? First of all, see that this expression, only this expression, there are two variables and each variables having power. What is the power of this one? That is 1. And what is the power of this one? That is 1. And the whole expression of these two powers, there is an addition sign. So the whole power is 1. Power is 1. Power is 1. But in case of there is a sign multiplication, suppose that x, y. X having power 1, y having power 1. And there is a sign between x and y, that is the multiplication. So these two powers will be added. So what it becomes? The power becomes what? 2. So highest power 1, highest power 2. And this highest power is known as degree. Degree of that expression. Degree of that expression. So degree of this one is 1. If suppose any other equation, x square plus 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. So this is the expression and having equality sign. So it becomes equation with expression. Now see, there are only one variable, x and x. Means one variable means you will not say that there are two variables x and x. X is only one variable. If any another variable, that will be y, that will be z, that will be a, that will be b. That, so we can say that the variables. So x is having only one variable, and what is the high power of this one? 2. Power of this one is 1. There is no multiplication sign in between these all the terms. So x is the highest power is 2. Highest power is the degree is equals to 2. If the degree is 2, then the equation is known as quadratic equation. This equation is known as quadratic equation. Now, let us consider, this is about the general idea of the quadratic equation. Now, let us consider the general form of quadratic equation. General form of quadratic equation. The general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is the general form of the quadratic equation. Any equation which is in the form of this, then we can say that the equation is quadratic equation. Suppose, now see, this is x square, this is x, and there is no x. So, this x square, this A is known as coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is A. Coefficient of x is b, and this c is constant. The value of x square is depend on the value of a, so it is the coefficient of x square, and b, the value of b is depend on the value of x, so it is known as the constant of x, and it is independent, means this value is fixed value, whatever that is -1, 1, 2, 3, maybe 5, 6, 7, whatever. So it is fixed value, and these all values are not fixed. It is dependent on the x square and x. So these are the coefficient of x square and x respectively. X square, coefficient of x square a, coefficient of x b. Now, if any equation is in the form of this, then we can say that it is that one is a quadratic equation. Now let us consider one example. So x square plus 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Now, as you know that this equation, either it is quadratic or not. So see, first of all, you see that what is the highest degree of this equation? Variable xx, highest power 2. So the degree of this equation is 2. So the degree of this equation is 2. So it is quadratic equation. But now consider this equation and this equation. As compare both of them, it is same or not. So see, x square, and here in opposite direction, the coefficient of x square is a. Here coefficient of x square is what? There is no value, but still there is a value, that is 1. If you multiply 1, you will become 1. So the x square a. So the value of a is equals to here 1. Now see, b, x into b or b into x. Coefficient of x is b. Coefficient of x is here. Coefficient of x is this one, b. So the value of b is equals to 2. Now plus c. So the value of c is equals to 5. Now as compared to these two equations, these are in the general form, this one, and as compared to this equation, so this is the quadratic equation. This is all about the quadratic equation. How to know this equation or quadratic equation or not. This is the procedure to know this is the quadratic equation or not. I am asking just a simple x minus 1 by x is equals to 2. Tell me, this equation is of quadratic equation or not? As you thought that, or as you think that, as compared to this, it is not. Compared to this, it is not. Degree, there is the highest degree or the highest power of the variable x is 1, 1, 1. There is no highest power is 2. So we can say that, or you can say that it is not a quadratic equation. But remember, as if you will take the LCM, you will get x square minus 1 upon x is equals to 2. Again, in the next step, cross multiplication, after cross multiplication, you will get what? X square minus 1 is equals to 2x. Now transpose this one, you will get what? X square minus 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now see, this equation becomes ultimately this. This equation becomes ultimately this. Now compare or find out the degree of this equation. Highest, the variable is x. The variable is x. Now highest power of the variable. Highest power, that is 2. So the degree of this equation is 2. So this equation is quadratic equation, and so this is also a quadratic equation because we get this value from this equation. So it is clear about all the main features of the quadratic equation. Thank you and have a nice day.